Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're stepping up to the plate with a word that's as American as apple pie. The word of the day is baseball. Baseball is an A2 level noun that refers to a bat and ball game played between two teams of 9 players. It's a sport that's deeply rooted in tradition and has captured the hearts of millions worldwide. Let's break it down. Baseball is a game where one team tries to score runs by hitting a ball thrown by the other team's pitcher and then running around a series of bases. It's played on a diamond-shaped field, and fans often associate it with warm summer days, cheering crowds, and even enjoying a hot dog or two. A few synonyms for baseball include terms like America's pastime or hardball, though these are often used in more informal or nostalgic contexts. For example, you might hear someone say, "I've been a fan of America's pastime since I was a kid." While these phrases refer to the same sport, they carry a sense of cultural connection and history. On the flip side, some antonyms might include sports like soccer, basketball, or tennis, which involve completely different rules and equipment. For instance, unlike soccer, baseball requires players to use a bat to hit the ball rather than kicking it. You might use baseball in everyday conversations like this. "We're going to watch a baseball game this weekend. Want to join us?" Or, "He's been practicing baseball every evening to get ready for the big game." It's also common in expressions like out of left field, which comes from baseball and means something unexpected, or step up to the plate, which means to take responsibility or action. Here are some examples of baseball in sentences. Every summer, the local park hosts a friendly baseball tournament. She bought a new baseball glove to use during practice. The children spent the afternoon playing baseball in the backyard. To summarize, baseball is more than just a game. It's a cultural icon. We've covered its meaning, explored some synonyms and antonyms, and shared ways to use it in everyday conversation. I hope you've enjoyed learning about this word as much as I've enjoyed talking about it. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show, and we'd love to hear from you. Why not create your own sentence using baseball and share it with us in the comments? Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you next time on Hello Word.